Hey everybody, welcome to my channel, Additional Source Income. Today we're going to go over part 2 of 2 on make money online, watch YouTube videos and get paid. Make sure to watch until the end as I will be going over how to monetize your YouTube channel, tips for growing your YouTube channel and increasing your earnings, and common challenges and misconceptions about making money on YouTube. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos. Other ways to make money online through YouTube. While the YouTube Partner Program is the most well-known way to make money on YouTube, there are other avenues you can explore to generate income. Here are a few additional ways to monetize your YouTube presence. Sponsorship and brand collaborations. As your YouTube channel grows, you may receive offers from brands and companies interested in collaborating with you. These collaborations can range from sponsored videos and product placements to brand ambassadorships, providing an additional source of income. Affiliate marketing. Join affiliate programs related to your niche and include affiliate links in your video descriptions. When viewers make a purchase through your affiliate links, you earn a commission. Be transparent with your audience about affiliate partnerships to maintain trust. Crowdfunding. Platforms like Patreon allow your viewers to support your channel by pledging a monthly donation in exchange for exclusive perks or content. This can be a great way to earn additional income while fostering a closer relationship with your most dedicated fans. Selling your own products or services. If you have a product or service that aligns with your YouTube channel, consider selling it directly to your audience. This could be anything from merchandise and digital products to coaching or consulting services. By broadening your income sources and investigating various methods of monetization, you can optimize your profits and establish a long-lasting online enterprise via YouTube. Success stories of YouTubers who have made significant income. While making a substantial income on YouTube requires time and effort, there are numerous success stories of YouTubers who have achieved financial success. These individuals have not only built massive audiences, but also effectively monetized their channels. Here are a few notable success stories. PewDiePie. Felix Kjellberg, commonly known as PewDiePie, is one of the most well-known YouTubers with over 100 million subscribers. He has made significant income through ad revenue, brand partnerships, and merchandise sales. Lisa Koshy. Lisa Koshy started as a Vine star and transitioned to YouTube, where she gained a massive following. She has since landed acting roles, collaborated with major brands, and built a successful business empire. Ryan's World. Ryan Kaji, a young YouTuber who reviews toys, has become a sensation with millions of subscribers. His channel has generated a massive income through ad revenue and brand partnerships. These successful stories serve as a testament to the potential income that can be earned through YouTube. While not everyone may reach these levels of success, they showcase what can be achieved with dedication and the right strategies. Tools and resources to help you optimize your YouTube earnings. To optimize your YouTube earnings, it's important to utilize the right tools and resources. Here are a few resources that can help you maximize your revenue potential. YouTube Analytics. Dive into your channel's analytics to gain insights into your audience, video performance, and revenue. This data will help you understand what content resonates with your viewers and identify areas for improvement. TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is a browser extension that provides a range of tools and features to help you optimize your YouTube channel. It offers keyword research, video SEO optimization, bulk editing, and competitor analysis, among other valuable features. Google AdSense. AdSense is a crucial tool for monetizing your YouTube channel. It allows you to manage and track your ad earnings, set up payment preferences, and access important financial information. Social media management tools. Utilize social media management tools like Hootsuite, and buffer to schedule and publish your YouTube videos across various platforms. This will help you reach a wider audience and drive more traffic to your channel. Online courses and tutorials. There are numerous online courses and tutorials available that can help you learn the ins and outs of YouTube monetization. These resources provide valuable tips and strategies from experienced YouTubers who have achieved success. By leveraging these tools and resources, you can gain a competitive edge and optimize your YouTube earnings for long-term success. Common challenges and misconceptions about making money on YouTube. While making money on YouTube is an exciting opportunity, it's important to be aware of the challenges and misconceptions that come with it. Here are a few common challenges you may face and misconceptions you should be aware of. Competition. The YouTube platform is highly competitive, with millions of creators vying for views and subscribers. Standing out among the crowd requires unique content, consistency, and perseverance. Ad revenue fluctuations. Ad revenue can vary greatly from month to month due to factors like changes in advertiser demand and viewer engagement. It's important to diversify your income streams to mitigate the impact of these fluctuations. Build an engaged audience. Building a loyal and engaged audience takes time and effort. It's important to focus on providing value, engaging with your viewers, and consistently delivering high-quality content to keep them coming back for more. Investment in equipment and software. While you can start with basic equipment, investing in quality cameras, microphones, and editing software can significantly improve the production value of your videos. However, it's important to find a balance between investing wisely and not overspending. Revenue expectations. It's crucial to have a realistic expectation when it comes to earning money on YouTube. While success stories of YouTubers making millions are inspiring, they represent a small percentage of creators. Building a sustainable income takes time, consistency, and continuous improvement. By being aware of these challenges and misconceptions, you can approach your YouTube journey with realistic expectations and a well-prepared mindset. Conclusion and final thoughts on making money online through YouTube. In conclusion, watching YouTube videos and getting paid is a viable way to make money online. Through the YouTube Partner Program, content creators have the opportunity to monetize their screen time and earn revenue from ads displayed on their videos. By creating engaging and monetizable content, growing your channel, and exploring additional revenue streams, you can maximize your earning potential on YouTube. However, it's important to approach this opportunity with realistic expectations and a long-term mindset. Building a successful YouTube channel takes time, dedication, and a continuous commitment to improving your content. Stay consistent, engage with your audience, and leverage the available tools and resources to optimize your YouTube earnings. So, if you're ready to turn your screen time into cash, start exploring the world of YouTube monetization today. Embrace the opportunity to share your passions, entertain your viewers, and make money online through YouTube. The possibilities are endless, and the journey is yours to embark upon. Remember to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos from additional source income, money strategies, and much more. Check out my playlist, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.